Asus TUF A17 is a budget gaming laptop with a large 17.3-inch 144Hz full HD IPS panel. It's powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU. It comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and it has got 512GB of PCIe NVMe SSD. While these specs may not look that spectacular in the year 2023, but for the price, I think you are still getting a pretty good gaming laptop. So here are the FPS that you can expect while gaming in 1080p resolution at high settings. Asus TUF A17 delivers dependable performance for gaming, for streaming and for everything in between. Its 6-core 12-thread CPU is able to power through serious multitasking. And the NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU, it's no slouch. It can still deliver pretty high frame rates if you are doing 1080p gaming. Asus has paired this laptop with a massive 90 watt-hour battery that provides ample endurance for hours of web browsing as well as video playback. So you can expect to get around 7 hours of web browsing on this laptop and a whopping 11 hours of video playback. Obviously, when you are gaming, you will not get this kind of battery life, and most gamers will anyway plug in the laptop when they game. Now regarding build quality, Asus TUF gaming laptop is designed to survive a rigorous battery of military standard tests. It is exposed to drops, vibration, humidity and extreme temperatures to ensure its reliability. Of course, some of this is marketing gimmick and so you can't trust everything the manufacturer says, but Asus TUF A17 gaming laptop is more than capable of withstanding accidental bumps and knocks that it might endure during your everyday use. Now its 144Hz refresh rate screen delivers a very smooth gaming experience. With adaptive sync, this laptop's screen refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering and eliminate visual tearing for a smooth gameplay. You also get a desktop style keyboard with customizable RGB backlighting optimized for gaming. Its WASD keys are prominently highlighted for hardcore gaming. Now regarding thermals, Asus has equipped this laptop with multiple heat pipes and 3 heat sinks to draw heat away from the core components and dissipate it very quickly during intense gaming session. And I think Asus has done a really good job in balancing the performance and the noise levels on this laptop. So overall, I think Asus TUF A17, it's a fantastic gaming laptop for its price, and I will give it a big thumbs up because for the price you are getting a really good gaming machine.